So I'm showing you guys something that your dog should be able to do every single day. This is proper manners by a doorway, okay? So my dog here is at my front door, goes out to road. When you open your front door, your dog should be able to stay. It should not be an invitation, okay, for your dog to fly out the door. Your dog should be able to just stay here and remain calm. Your dog should not be freaking out if you come out here to take out the trash. All right, so I'm walking down carport, going down the road here, and my dog is comfortable. She's not freaking out, and it is a standard, it is an expectation that she stays here until I ask her to come out. Your dog should be able to do this. It's not a highly trained, complicated skill. It is something that is simply an expectation of their basic manners.